few years back I met with an accident while playing badminton, and after that, it was a bad injury, and my leg and all got swollen badly. Then I got to meet few doctors who were always treating me with different kinds of medication and everything. I also went to Kerala for Ayurvedic treatment, but nothing happened. Recently I got to fell again, and the pain got increased. Then I got to call one of my friends, who is Dinesh, who is working in Medicover Hospital, Kakinada. For his suggestion, I gave him a call for a suggestion. So he suggested me to meet an arthrosurgeon, Arun Kumar, from Medicover. So I got to meet him, and he asked me to go through an MRI. Suggested me, he explained me what my condition is, because it's in a complete ACL tear and my meniscus also got disturbed, both lateral and anterior. So he asked me he suggested me to go through a surgery, because there is no cure for naturally it cannot be repaired. So on his advice I went through a surgery, and it went well. I'm getting discharged today, and all this whole week where I stayed in Medicover, there was a good care given by nursing staff and everyone. And especially I should really thank Arun Kumar Garu for giving me a complete support, even in the operation theatre. He showed me everything what he was doing, and I kept on asking him hell number of questions, which he patiently answered, and he really took care of me well, and I really thank him for that. I really thank him for that. And in this whole week I actually had to stay alone, because none of my family were not here. Everyone is abroad. So which I explained to the Medicover team, and all the nursing staff and everyone, they really took care of me well, anytime. And even the housekeeping, they kept everything clean, maintained it so well. They were changing all the sheets, cleaning the rooms and bins and everything. I never saw them losing any kind of patience. They were really patient with me. I was sometimes irritating them due to the pain and everything, but they really took care of me well. Many even suggested me to go to get the surgery done in Hyderabad or Chennai. But coming to Medicover, which is actually very close to my hometown in Kakinada, which they are all equipped with complete equipment, and it is a super specialty hospital. Then I thought okay, let's get it done over here, which is completely satisfying to me. And thank you the whole Medicover team and the management for supporting me in all kinds of ways to make me healthy.